Hi guys, Mogau here, aka the Lazy Makoti, and today we're outside. We're going to be making a delicious lamb knuckle potjie, and we're going to be serving that with some delicious potbread. So let's get straight into it. The first thing we're going to do is to season our lamb knuckles. Just make sure everything is nicely coated. So I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of that olive oil. And then what we're going to do is we're going to brown our meat first. We want to get that caramelization going. You want to get that beautiful brown coating. This is the sound we want. So now my meat is nicely browned on either side, and I'm just going to take it, set it on this plate and put it aside, and we're going to cook the rest of our curry. Teaspoon each of some garlic, some ginger, and I think a little bit later I'm going to add in the chili. And then now to add all our fabulous spices, I'm going to add my cumin, some smoked paprika, and then my other favorite thing, the Cape Malay curry. In goes that lamb that we browned earlier, tomatoes, some chicken stock. And now we're going to cover and allow this to cook. Okay, clearly we are in Cape Town and it's just started raining. So I'm going to cover my potjie and then go inside to prep my bread. And now we're going to get started with our pot bread. In here I just have some flour, and I'm going to add the rest of my dry ingredients, sugar, some salt, and then last my yeast. Then I'm going to make a little bit of a well, and this is where I'm going to pour all of my warm water. So now I'm just starting to knead, and we're going to do this for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's nice and sticky. So this is actually my grandma's recipe. I used to watch her do this all the time growing up. She'd actually never written down the measurements, so I did that so that you can bake this at home. Now our dough is nice and sticky. You can see it's starting to leave the bowl there. It's got that beautiful bounce. And so we're going to leave it in a warm spot for about 30 minutes until it doubles in size. Okay, and now we have sunshine again. So let's finish off our potjie. Then I'm going to add a little bit more liquid. Then we add in our vegetables. Some potatoes that I just halved, some corn, lastly some baby carrots. And then we're just gonna close and let this baby cook. Let's get cracking with the bread. So now here is our bread, nicely risen. So I'm just gonna knock it and then divide it into 2 equal parts. And then this goes in here. I did grease these. And then I'm just gonna cover and let these rise just for 10 minutes. Then after that, we bake on our braai. Next to my potjie, and then close and just let it work its magic. Our 2 breads are done, and so is the potjie. Let's see how this baby's looking. Look how stunning. This is the fluffiest bread ever. This is just perfect. I really hope you try it. So happy braaiing.